Hello, Mark Epperson here with MarineMax Pompano Beach. We're sitting aboard a beautiful 2019 SPX outboard. This is a trade-in, actually. It's very lightly used, I think around 50 hours. Just 4 months of use. We have a 150 horsepower engine. That's the upgrade. It usually comes standard with a 115. Being on an outboard, you have plenty of storage space here in the transom area. Now, one thing that was installed, the gentleman, the previous owner, did install sea deck throughout the boat, so very nice upgrade here. You have the lounge seating, which does convert to single-use seating here with a seat cushion that would flip over. The new Fusion audio integration into the system with the Fusion speakers. You can do Wi-Fi processing, so you have optimal sound quality there. Your nice new dasher at the helm with the wood grain paneling, the leather, you have your digital depth finder there, and plenty of seating in the bow. So if you're just hanging out, you know, I'm 6'1", I have plenty of space here. This is a great boat, nice size 19. It's got an 8-foot 4-inch beam, so you have plenty of elbow room in here too once you get people on board. It's rated for 10. Great boat, very lightly used. Give me a call at 954-895-2730, MarineMax Pompano Beach.